Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
Single best idea. What an eventful day. Thank you to Charlie Pellet for stopping by. You know, we make a joke about it. You're up on $5 a day with Charlie Pellet. And, of course, all of you nationwide know his voice from the New York subways. Stand clear of the closing door. What an honor to have him ring the bell with Ken Pruitt years ago at the New York Stock Exchange in celebration of our anniversary at the time. Good to have Charlie in. And Sonali Basak, I thought, was just riveting, frankly, on a huge bonus season for global Wall Street, American Wall Street, and New York Wall Street as well. We appreciate her time. First off, Stuart Kaiser came by too quick. We have to get a longer chat next time with Citigroup. He's got a very different job. It's much more trading. It's not 3 years in a hold. It's much more supple nuances of where we are in the market back and forth. And David Gura went to him on DeepSeek, the uproar of 2 weeks ago, and Stuart Kaiser constructive on DeepSeek.
On the DeepSeek side, my takeaway, it's a little bit more of a positive spin, would be that this reaffirms that this is a core key investable theme you have to have in your equity portfolio. What DeepSeek did is I think it changed the way people are investing in it. It sort of got them out of semis more into the software space, things like that. Yeah, so I don't think it changed. I don't think it changed that this is it as a theme, but people have rearranged the deck chair.
Stuart Kaiser there, and this is really something that's going to percolate forward. The theme of AI off of earnings, thank you Anurag Rana and Mandeep Singh, was a supply and demand theme where the demand is there and they're struggling to keep up with supply, and that overlays into the open AI Altman-Musk thing, Tom McKenzie with that great interview with Sam Altman in Paris, and then of course overlays into like this quarter and this year, and where are we in AI in 12 months? If you know, let me know. I have no clue where we're going with that, but smart talk from Stuart Kaiser. Monica DiCenso does very serious JP Morgan private bank counseling to family office. It was a fascinating conversation. Talked a lot about like when the children don't agree within a family office, those kind of things. Here is something that comes up always at a family office. Monica DiCenso on gold.
We've been talking about gold for a couple of years now. Gold was up 28% or so last year. Yeah. I think it's really, again, after a 28% run, hard to go long outright. That said, I have clients who don't have very high allocations. So what we've been doing, there's interesting skew in gold. People are still trying to buy calls to buy upside. So if you own gold outright right here, you want to buy some, you can collar that position, cashless. The most you can lose in a year is 5%. The most you can gain is 13%. By the way, if you make 13% in gold, that's more than I think you're going to make in U.S. equities, and that's gold.
Never have I had a family office member, executive, I should say, talk about a collared put call trade on gold. That was a first for the show back decades. What an interesting week. We've got a lot of economic data coming up. CPI, PPI, the business inflation index on Thursday, and then retail sales on Friday. I really can't say enough about the lassitude around all the political noise we're seeing. Our radar is up. We're staying as focused as we can on economics, finance, investment, and international relations. We're on YouTube Podcast. Don't forget YouTube Premium. Single best idea.